9 left? What the hell? Hopefully everyone's having a good night. What are the 9 that are left? Let's talk about that. Angels, Cubs, D-backs, Marlins, Mariners, Nationals, Rays, Reds, and Rockies. What the hell is going on? Lucky Breaks, home of the full or not breaks. Monday through Sunday. Monday through Saturday. I told Jim he's got to do the full or not. So we're going to move Jim's breaks full or not maybe every other day or something like that. But what the hell is what I'm saying? 9 left. And we're basically giving them away. We got the Angels 27 now. They're 18 now. Cubs 65, 50 now. Diamondbacks 18, 13 now. Marlins 30 now. They were 40. Mariners 26. Where's Flossie at? Mariners 26. They were 36. National. Oh my gosh, I'm getting my ass handed to me. Nationals 45. They were 58. Reds 18. They were 26. What's up? What's up, Gary? Where the hell you been, Gary? Welcome to Lucky Breaks. Hopefully you're having a good night, brother. Rockies 32, they were 42. Are you kidding me? We got Gary in the house. What up, what up? Lucky Breaks, we only got 9 left. 2 hobby. And we're going to go right at 11:30. 2 hobby, we got 2 autos in this. 2 autos in that, this and that. 4 autos. And then we got the Breakers Delight. 3 autos in there. So we have 5, 7 autos if my math stands corrected. That's what we got. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. 9 left. We're giving them away. And I mean, we're giving them away. I don't know how we do this. You got to ask somebody else. I got to have a day job to pay for my nighttime habit. Oh, well. Aren't we all in the same spot? I don't know. It's all fine with me. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We only have the 9 left. I'll tell you what they are. Rockies 32. They were 42. What up, Lambs? We got Lambs in the house. Reds 18, they were 26. Rays 26, they were 36. Nationals 45, were 58. Mariners 26, were 36. Marlins 30, they were 40. D-backs 13. Where's Mike DeFreitas? That's Mike DeFreitas right there. D-backs 13, they were 18. Cubbies 50, they were 65. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Angels 18, they were 27. I don't know. Somebody. Somebody. 8 left. Uh-oh. Diamondbacks are still there for 13. Angels 18, Cubs 50, Marlins 30, Mariners 26, Nats 45, Rockies 32. 7 left, guys. Angels, Cubs, D-backs, Marlins, Mariners, Nationals, and Rockies. Reds off the board. Hornung, what's up, Hornung? What up? Got to get back in stride. You know, I was out, boom, went to Mexico for a week. You come back, you're playing catch up. You know, I really didn't do anything when I was there. I just hung out with my dad. And So I'm playing catch up with everything right now, but we're getting caught up pretty fast here. So we have other breaks. We'll do full or not tomorrow. I'm going to do one of these mixers. I got some Pulse Lumen, and I like this stuff. I've been on this stuff, man. This wild card stuff. It's kind of cool. I'm kind of into that. That's that Pulse Lumen. The boxing on that Pulse Lumen is ridiculous. Whew. 6 left. Angels, Cubs, D-backs, Marlins, Mariners, Nationals. Okay, that's what we got. The last 6 teams. I know that game's going on. I was watching that game. I was like, should I wait till the game's over? We're in the 4th quarter last time I saw. Fantasy football teams are like at crunch time. I got a guy to win out even to get in the playoffs. But, man, I thought my team was solid. Like every year, I think my team's solid until the standings say otherwise. 5 left. Angels, Cubs, Marlins, Mariners, Nationals. Man, the Marlins. I thought that Andrew Salas was the big guy on there. Brian Cortesia for the Marlins. No good? Okay. Angels, Hayden Alvarez. Cubbies, Juan Tomas, Ronnie Cruz, and Willie De La Cruz. Nice. Gary got the D-backs. Big Cheddar in the house. Cheddar. Mariners. They got that Bautista. And who do the Nationals got? Oh, Luke Dickerson. We might hit a Luke Dickerson. I don't know. You tell me. We got 5 minutes left in 5 teams. Can we get them gone in 5 minutes? Either way, we're going to break. It don't matter. Because we're home of the full or not breaks Monday through Saturday. And I was going to break Sunday, but I like having a day where I just don't have to do shit. So, I mean, I do stuff on Sunday, don't get me wrong, but I'm not obligated, you know what I mean? Like, it's not every other day I'm obligated. Boom, 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 I got stuff going on, just like you guys. Boom, boom, boom. So, last 5 team, Angels 18, they were 27. Cubbies 50, we're 65. Marlins 30, we're 40. Mariners 26, we're 36. And the Nationals 45, they were 58. What the hell? That's what I say. What the hell's going on here? All the teams are gone except those 5. 4 minutes to get rid of 5 teams. Hey, once they're gone, they're gone. I don't want no crying. No tomfoolery. Don't be like, oh, I know how you guys play. I don't want to play that game. Okay. Last 5 teams. Full or not. It's the final countdown. I think we got 4 teams left. Angels, 5. Angels, Cubs, Marlins, Mariners, Nationals. Twins are a great team, Jason. Twins got a lot of autos in this. Castillo, Leon, and Serrano. Tier 2 and Tier 3 autos. I think you're going to be impressed. JT's in the house. JT. 20s. Okay, last 5. Who's in? Who's out? Who's in? Who's out? Nice. He has all 3 of them. Dirty dog. Angels 18. We're 27. Cubs 50. We're 65. Marlins 30. They were 40. Mariners 26. We're 36. And the Nationals 45. We're 58. If you're not in at these prices, you're probably not going to get in. Hey, you have all 3. Why not get 3 more? Let's do 3 autos for the 20s. If you're not in at these prices, I don't know what the hell you're waiting for. I gotta know. Fire coming out for Dean Marks. You gotta request it. Oh, what the hell? Mike DeFreitas coming in, taking the Mariners? Did hell just freeze over? He's early, and he's got the Mariners? Okay. You learn something new every day. What happened, Mike? They give you that holiday bonus. Fletcher with the Angels. Three left. Cubs 50, they were 65. Marlins 30, they were 40. And the Nats 45. Nationals off the board. Final countdown for the last 2. Cubs and Marlins. 50 for the Cubs, Marlins for 30. Oh, shit, I'll take 80 for them both. Give you a deal. I'll take 80 for them both. Okay, let's get going, guys. Let's get going. Enough of that tomfoolery. If I said that's enough of that tomfoolery, it's time to break. It's at 11:30. Time to get dirty. Cubbies, last team for 50. I'll let it go for 60. Last team on the Cubbies, 50. I'll let it go for 60. I'm giving you a deal. You say we're closed. Holy cow, Mike D's going way outside the box. Okay, let's get rolling. Too good, James Wood. Nice hit. Luke Cashel and Chizzy Chisholm /99 for the New York Yankees. First auto. For the Hotlanta Braves, Diego Torres /499. And this is the guy you want for the Hotlanta Braves. This is tier 1 rookie prospect. Diego Torres, who got the Hotlanta Braves? Big Cheddar. South Beach closes it. We're getting going. For the Dodgers /250, Mike Adams. Nice hit, Mike. World Series champions, the Dodgers for a little Co. /250. Connor Griffin came to the league, top prospect. Aguilares. Padilla. Funky Cole Medina and Felon for the Brewers. Part of the Brew Crew. Thank you, Jamie. D-Mark on the Royals. Let's get rolling, 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 rolling. Let me just organize this real quick. Put these over here. These are going to be top loaded. Funky Co Medina, Padilla, and Aguilares for the Rockies. Okay, let's continue on. Mick Abel, Patrick, Kobe put some mayo on it, and Cuero for the White Sox on the red rookie logo for a little White Sox action. Okay. I already opened up my other top loaders because I knew we were going to need them. Travis Bazzana, max volume. And Ethan Salas, Andrew Salas for the Miami Marlins. This is the guy you wanted for the Marlins. So whoever picked up the Marlins, good cheddar. And Elorki, as Jim always does it, Rodriguez. Diego Torres, nice there. Pena, wow, we got Cam Schittler. Remember this guy? He was a stud in the playoffs. McCutchen. Carlos Carrera. Mookie, yeah, you bet. Uh-oh. What do we got there? Hipwell on the Sparkle Me Up on the first. And, for the Arizona D-backs to 5-0, Elian De La Cruz. There we go. Little 5-0, little serpentine skin on the outside of that bad boy. Taking it to the house. Serpentines. Marcelo Meyer. Cale Fountain. Gerald. Namala and J.J. Weatherholt. Continue on box number 1. Ballesterios. Corey Seager. Matty Chap. Guanhu. Soto. And auto me up. Nick LaRusso. For the New York Mets. A little Medi side doing it right there. Charlie Condon, Sandlin, Steven Martinez, and Kevin DeFrank, Marchand, Churio, Freeman, and red rookie logo, Agustin Ramirez. Ramirez taking on that cheddar. Nick, when it hurts, it curts. And Jack Coglione, blue on blue. I like that bad boy. To $1.50 for the KC Royals. Nice little hit there for the Royals. Zach Veen, so clean and clean. Strop, Sedeno, Andrew Salas, there we go. Zach Cole, Gunnar Henderson, Corbin Carroll, Suzuki, and Matt Shaw. Shaw, let it thaw. And Christopher Polanco for the Blue Jays. Polanco to 99. Color me up. Travis Bazzana, Severino, Taylor, Pena, and Charlie Condon. Holy moly. I'm going to have to go through these anyway, so. For the sanctity of time, we won't do them all. We'll save the Breaker Delight for last. What about that? Okay, box number 2, Bowman Hobby. 2 autographs on this one, and the last box will have the 3. It'll just be just the hits on the last one. I could go for either one for different reasons. I like the Hobby, and I like the Breaker Delight. A lot of new products coming down the piper, guys. Be ready. Home of the full or not, Monday through Sunday, Monday through Saturday. Maybe we'll have Jim do a full or not on Sunday. I don't know. Did he do that football break? I know he's got like 5 teams left on that football break. If he don't do it tonight, we're going to do that full or not tomorrow. That guy's got to get that thing moving. I want to see what it's got. Jeepers. Imanaga, Nito, Blake Snell, Birdsong on the rookie, and Trevor Harrison for the Tampa Bay Rays. Auto number 1. Hopefully auto number 2 and 2 is a little bit better than that. Okay. Sasaki, Purdy Brito, Rivas, Harold, Macaris, and Kendry Martinez. Sasaki, Cade Horton, nice hit there. Zach Beam, so clean on the red rookie logo for the Colorado Rockies. Little Rockies action. Rafael Devers, and there we go, Juan Tomas. This is the guy you want, to $1.25 for the Northside Chicago Cubbies. Max Clark, Kevin Alvarez, there we go. That's what you want for the Astros, not bad. Easy Guire, RJ Schreck, and Jordan Sanchez. Mangum, Trey Burton Turner, and Birdsong on the red rookie logo. Okay. Who the hell am I? Polanco for Shimmer Me Up. Man, that's the Polanco's been hitting, huh? Little Blue Jays. And Will Warren to 100. CN. CN. Gunnar Henderson. Lombard Jr., Wilfred De La Cruz, that's who you want for the Cubbies. Funky Co Medina, Christian Yelich, Show Me the Money, Otani, Tovar, and for the Boston Red Sox, David Sandlin. So 2 pitcher autos. Okay, well, the stinking Breaker Delight better be better than this. Can't have tomfoolery all the time. Okay. Hey, the Minnesota Twinkie, Santiago Leon. Okay. J.J. Weatherholt came to the league. Oh, Kakarius for the Guardians. This is the guy you want for the Guardians, right? A prospect. Bubba Chandler, Dinges, Anderson, Ketel Marte, Chizzy Chisholm, and Drake Baldwin rookie. This guy win Rookie of the Year? I think he did. Nick Hurtson at Kurtz and Baldwin. Kobe put some mayo on it for the Baltimore Orioles on the red rookie logo. Back on the Twinkies, Walker Jenkins, Coglione, Suero, Joshua Gonzo, De Los Santos, and Calcano. This is the guy you want for the Giants. Is he still as hot as it was a month ago? Probably the same, right? Kumar Rocker, Nick When It Hurts, It Kurtz. Rookie, so we hit the Drake Baldwin and the Nick Kurtz. A's and Braves. Alex Bregman and De La Cruz will go mile high to the Colorado Rockies. Shimmer Me Up on the first. To $3.99 will stay up there at the Rockies. Ezekiel Tovar, Shimmer Me Up, Sparkle Me Up. Cam Smith, Botcher, Hipwell, De La Cruz, and DeVries. So he got traded to the A's, that DeVries, right? Is that who it is? Or is it someone else? Can't keep up with everything. Okay, guys, let's go with the monster one right here. Box number 3. And I got to get some more damn top loaders ready for this box. I knew it was going to be heat. I didn't know it was going to be that much heat. Okay, let's go. Box number 1. Or box number 3, I should say. Box number 1 of the Breakers Delight. So we got Mike D's Nuts in the break of the Delight. Okay. Rushing Dalton for the rookie. Carson Williams. For the Giants, Barreto. For the Giants. Could have got a Bo Davidson or a Gonzalez, but we got a burrito. Julian Burrito. Sammy Hernandez for the St. Louis Cardinals. For the Cardinals. And for the Dodgers to $150, Emil Morales. Okay. Zach Pretty Neato. Uh-oh. I need some more sleeves. To 150 for the Angels. And Kevin DeFrank to 99 for the Miami Marlins. Get some heat in there to 99. And this guy, we want this guy, Chris Rodriguez to 499. Ooh, man, those lines running up and down on the left. What the hell? Or maybe that's supposed to be like I don't know. Chris Rodriguez, that's a nice hit for the Motown Detroit Tigers, though. And without another Polanco, I don't know what we would do. But another Christopher Polanco for the Blue Jays. And the last card, Moise Ballesteros on the red rookie logo for the Chicago Cubbies. Guys, thank you always for getting in the break. Without you guys, there would not be me. Moises Ballesteros, Polanco, Chris Rodriguez to $4.99, DeFrank to $99, Pretty Neato to $150, Morales to $150 on the auto, Hernandez for another burrito for the Giants, Ezekiel Tovar to $3.99, De La Cruz Sparkle Me Up, Nick When It Hurts It Hurts, another Gonzo. Kobe put some mail on it, red rookie logo, and a Drake Baldwin. Cascarius, Leon to 250, Show Me the Money Otani, Sandlin on the auto, Warren to 100, Polanco on the shimmer. Give me another Bird Song, red rookie logo, Tomas to 125, Zach Veen So Clean to, no, it's just a red rookie logo. Harrison for the Rays on the auto, Funky Co Medina, Padilla, another Polanco, this time on the green to 99. Caglione, that's a pretty sweet card. Color on color to 150. Ramirez on the red rookie logo. La Russa on the auto. De La Cruz for the Serpentines to 50. Hipwell, Rodriguez. Quer on the red rookie logo. Aquarius. Felin. Co to the Dodgers to 250. Torres, that's probably the best hit right there to 499. And Jazzy Chisholm. Guys, have a great night. Thank you for getting in the breaks, like I said. Without you guys, there would be no me. Thank you guys. Have a great night. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Peace.